Hello, my name is Jon Roberts, and I graduated from Troy High School in 2009. Currently, I am a volunteer firefighter for the city of Troy at Fire Station number 3. I've been here for 13 years, and I've been a station lieutenant for 6 years. Troy's a volunteer fire department, so we're on call for a certain number of hours per week. And then when the pager goes off, we all come to the station for a fire truck or go right to the scene. We can respond to anything from fire alarms to structure fires to vehicle extrications to odor investigations, pretty much anything fire related where the public needs help. It's more just about giving back to the community. I've lived in Troy my entire life, and why not give back in a way that's also fun? You can't see inside burning buildings, despite what movies will tell you. There's smoke down to the floor and you have no idea what you're looking at. Kind of equated to, we never want there to be a fire, but fires are gonna happen and we wanna be around when it does so we can help out. It's a very fun job. Troy High taught me a lot of just practical life skills. In theater, I learned a lot of hand tool operations and how to construct stuff. In auto mechanics, I learned how machines worked. I had some great teachers that kept my interest in science alive. I ended up pursuing a bachelor's degree in fire science. And it made college really easy for me, and then the fire academy really easy for me, and just the training here really easy because I had been prepared so well by the teachers that I had. The most fun I had was in the Troy Theater Ensemble. I was a techie there, and I just really enjoyed working backstage, running sound, lights, the fly lines, set construction, set building. It was a lot of hands-on skills that I learned that kind of really helped prepare me for the real world and just made this job a lot easier. I really liked Millie. We had a giant turntable that I got to operate that we actually borrowed from, I think, General Motors from the auto show. So the whole stage kind of rotated certain directions depending on what the scene called for. That was a lot of fun to build. We had to actually raise the entire stage up. It was almost a foot to meet that same level as the turntable. I met my wife in TTE. We got married 3 years ago. She graduated in 2008, but I met my wife Bridget while we were there. Find something that you enjoy and find a way to make a career out of it. It just makes life a lot more fun, and if you enjoy what you do, you never work.